Hi everyone, Jan here from Healthy Hands Cooking, and I just wanted to pop in with the review of this Superfoods to the Rescue book. And it's written by Natalie Copeland of Flavored Fork. Natalie is living in Lexington, South Carolina, and she's a certified Healthy Hands cooking instructor. What I love about this book is that it's for ages 7 to 10 years old, and it really is a fun way for children to learn all about different superfoods that they can put in their bodies. And it includes recipes, and it includes information on these superfoods. It includes games, it includes coloring pages, all kinds of fun things for young, growing culinary chefs. It's available on Amazon, so I think you can just look it up either under Natalie's name or under Superfoods to the Rescue. And I highly recommend this book. I just finished it myself. It's really, really fun, super cute, super educational, and a great way to introduce your children to maybe some foods they haven't tried before or some superfoods and why they're so important to the body. Thanks, everyone. Have an awesome day. Bye now.